Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds course, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a PowerPoint presentation into your LearnWorlds account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a PowerPoint presentation into your LearnWorlds course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes if you have a PowerPoint presentation, it's going to help convey your information better than video or text. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your LearnWorlds dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my LearnWorlds account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a PowerPoint presentation into your course, here on the left, you want to click on Courses. Once you do that, you're going to see all the courses you've created in LearnWorlds. You can see I just have this one. And to add a PowerPoint, you're going to hover over these three dots at the top and then click on Edit Course. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the course outline. If not, be sure to click here, Course Outline on the top left. Once you're here, you're going to go ahead and scroll down to the chapter or the section that you want to add a PowerPoint to. So for example, this one right here, this is a chapter about Italian recipes. So maybe we're going to do a PowerPoint on step-by-step for meatballs. So all you're going to do is click on Add Activity. Right. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and click on Multimedia. And once you click in there, you're going to scroll down until you see Presentation. Okay, so now you're going to go ahead and name the PowerPoint. So let's say Meatball Creation. And you're going to click on Save and Edit. All right, once you do that, you'll see this option here on the right. So you can go ahead and mess around with the settings. However, to upload the PowerPoint, you're going to click here, Upload Presentation File. Okay, you can see it's uploading right now. Okay, so once it's uploaded, you're going to see it right here. And then you can go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom and then click on Save. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see right here, we have Meatball Creation. This is a PowerPoint. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a PowerPoint into your LearnWorlds course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.